I don't know. So I'm about to put on some movies. I'm on Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't know who I am. Hey, my name is Cherish, and if you do know who I am, hey, and I'm back with another video. Summary. So basically how this was I supposed to try this like heating thing for my twist outs and braid outs to dry much faster. So this video was edited like all the way in September, and it's October 2nd, and I'm actually recording another video, by the way, you know, for the first week or the first day of the second day of October, whatever. But I just wanted to tell y'all this video was supposed to be posted in September, so I don't know why I'm posting it now, but I am, because it's already been a week since I haven't posted a video, and this is one of the videos I haven't posted yet. So I just wanted to tell y'all that. And yeah, but don't forget to like, comment, hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't. This clip is me after washing my hair, so I'm just doing the twist out, and I don't have an ending. Also looked or came out, I don't even have videos of it when I go back to that day, so I'm very sorry for that. But yeah, these next videos for October are going to be the best videos you can ever tell. And actually, I'm supposed to be going to homecoming dress shopping, and then later today I may be going skating, so don't forget, you know. So, and just letting you know, I know I look crazy now, but I'm recording another video right now also. So yeah, but I'll talk to y'all, and hopefully y'all still like this video. Bye. Hey guys, so I just got done washing my hair. Kind of parted it, so I know the shrinkage is real. Wasn't trying to put a nice shirt on. So I'm going to be showing y'all what the picture looks like on the screen probably now. And then this is what it came in. This is what it looks like. It's going to look like basically this is kind of like a fast type of thing. So I need to make it go faster, process go faster. So I'm going to use it even though I'm not taking the braids out today. How it works, so y'all know if y'all want to work. The link will be in the description down below. Like, try it. I was like, why not do it on YouTube just in case this may go bad. I don't know. So yeah, morning I take out the braids to see what they look like afterwards, because I'm going to blow dry it and I'm gonna let the rest air dry until tomorrow. So I'm about to put on some movies. Now guys, I am watching this. It's called Fate, the Wick Saga. It's a review. And yeah, so let's get started. My face, it always looks dry every time I'm washing it. I don't know why. So, and I probably do thick braids this time just because I've been doing, you know, small braids. But at the same time, they be taking forever. Oh, that twist. Probably twist though, because I haven't done twisting in a minute. This is by Millie. This is a nice product. I'll probably put the link tree down below so y'all can go buy this. regular twist. I haven't done a twist out in a minute. It's usually just braid outs because I like braid outs better than twist outs. Yeah, so now we're going to do this thing. We're going to try it. So I'm about to open this package real quick, and when it's open, I guess I'll figure out how it looks. Long thing like this. So this is a long thing like this. I'm about to put this on my head. Like I told you, I'm not doing this all the way. So put this on my head first. It's already hot. I'm about to plug this up.